Alright guys, the moment has arrived. Alright, I've been given my last and final threat. Move this junk or else. Not sure what else mean, but I guess the wreckers and the dirt trucks coming to. There's nothing wrong with this truck, but I gotta get it out of the way, guys. So I don't even know if it'll start. I might have to jump it off. And I'm going to get a fan today. So I put everybody to shame because some people don't even think it'll run. I got news for them. This is my money maker. Oh no, battery's still on it. I might have to jump it out, guys. Where is the key? Hey, y'all don't pay no attention to my hidden key area. I don't want y'all to come up here to steal my beautiful truck. Okay, so y'all act like y'all didn't see where I hide my secret key. Hey, that rhymes. Hey, look at that. Whoa! Talk about a bad truck. It started up, guys. Yes. Running like crap, but it started up. All right. I hope nothing don't fall out. I don't even know how this stuff got on here, guys. So somebody is using me as a junk guy without telling me. This is not a place you just bring your personal junk and put on my freaking truck. How am I gonna get this transmission over there? All right, I gotta get in the shop first, guys. So for now, let me get this thing in the shop. I gotta put a fan on it. Y'all know the fan don't work on this thing. It's overheating. All right, it stranded me one time. Y'all watch this video right here. Well, the fan went out in the middle of a freaking scrap run. All right, guys, I gotta get in the shop. Actually, I gotta go to the parts department and pick up some trailer hitches, guys. They have thrown. Anybody got any Jeep Cherokees? Maybe. They have to dispose of like 5 brand new trailer hitches. I don't know. Maybe they was built wrong, but Chrysler said get rid of them. So I guess they too heavy for people to take to the dumpster. So they're like, JT, you a junk man? No, junk man. Come get this junk. I was like, okay, I come get it. Knowing I don't have no room for it, I already got 2 truckloads, but I'm just greedy like that. I don't know what it is about. I don't know, but guess where I'm going? That's right, guys. I'm going to get these trailer. I don't even know if I got room. I just told the guy, yeah, I get it. I have no idea how I'm gonna pull this off. But a fan will be put on this thing. It will be fixed to the point where it's not overheating. Now, where is these deck gum hitches? What they do with them? They already moved. Oh, there they are right there. All right, guys. Let me see. Yeah, look at that. Brand new. Like I said, anybody got some Jeeps, let me know. We can get it. Y'all can have it. Let's go into the scrap yard. All right, guys. Hold tight. I got work to do. Alright guys, I have the air loaded up. I still look load on it. That's 40 pounds of air. I have a nice load. I'm about to get that up in there some more. And on top of that, all the tires full. And on top of that, I have a nice load waiting on me when I get back, guys. Y'all see all that? That's a 2.4 multi-air 62 TE. Couple radiators. Another 2.4 multi-air. Now y'all remember the 2.7 that I put in that black Charger? The one in insurance. This is the one in sludge, I think. Yeah. And this is the 3.6 I put in a Caravan. Okay. Dang, I still wanted to take that apart and show y'all the timing setup, how unique that is. What's under here? This is a box. I think this is a, what is this? Oh, this is an engine. Another 2.4. This was an oil burner insurance job. Okay, over here on my trans table. It's not a trans table anymore, guys. And I'm going to tell you why. Simply because we hardly have an overhaul trans anymore. Yeah, that's the one I took apart on that. This is a CVT I took apart. Took this apart just to film what goes on inside. And I have yet to edit that video and put it up. But CVT transmission. God, I've been looking all over for this. So transmission table is now used for storage, I guess, until Chrysler changed the way, until they get us some parts, overhaul parts. But that's hardly ever the problem anymore, guys. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna go this way, see what's going on. Jeep. No, this gotta be an employee's car. Jeep 4x4 Comanche Chief with an inline 6-cylinder, 4-liter. Right, it's still a 6-cylinder though. Inline 4-liter 6-cylinder. I mean, you old cats, Jeep heads. Tom Cook, I know he recognized this. What year is this thing? 80s, 1980 something? No, this ain't mine. Oh, guys. Oh, this is Kirk's. Yes, this is not a used car trade-in. I don't think we would accept this as a used car trade-in. You need a mirror right here. So I don't think he too much care about mirrors right now, but very interesting, guys. Yes, I've done a lot of work on the inline 6-cylinder 4-liter. Built pretty tough. You're right. That's why I said they built pretty tough. They just can't withstand the stringent requirements of emissions and EPA right now. So we had to let it go and result to a V-type V6 engine. Namely our 3.6 Pentastar, but we won't talk about that right now. So, stop. Let's go this way, guys.